Hi everyone, thanks for joining us. I'm excited to show you one of the easiest ways to create and deploy ABT node using Play with Docker. So for anyone who's not familiar with Play with Docker, it's a Docker playground that allows anyone to launch and use Docker containers, and in this case, Docker Swarm in your browser in a matter of seconds. And combined with ABT node, you've got a complete on-demand ArcBlock test environment launch within 30 seconds. So let's go ahead and show you how it works. Now, if you're following along in the article, go ahead and just click on the link. Otherwise, we're going to click on Try in PWD. And you can see everything is ready to go. We simply just click on Start. And what this is going to do is actually open up our session stack builder, and it's going to begin pulling ABT node into the environment. Now, once it's done pulling and extracting the ABT node, you'll be able to actually close the session stack builder. It will come up and tell you when it's ready. And you can see here, it's ready to go. Simply click on close. Now here we've only got one more step. There's no complicated commands, no additional terminal functions that need to be run. We simply go ahead and click on port 80 up here at the top. And you can see here it says, congratulations, your ABT node is up and running. Simply click on the node dashboard and we can begin setting up our ABT node.